Hello my friends, it's NG World. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to show you how to make your teeth shine like pearl without any side effects with very simple ingredients. It's teeth whitening at home with very simple ingredients, guys. You can get rid of dirty teeth and yellow teeth naturally. The first ingredient we will need to prepare this remedy is 1 banana, and we need the banana peel, now get the skin peel like so. And mash it like this, my friends. Then we need to add around 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and you cannot use baking powder in this, it's not gonna work the same. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Then we need to add 1 teaspoon of toothpaste. Mix well all the ingredients. You can store it in the fridge and use it every day, 2 times a day. And from first use you will notice a great result. Now our remedy is ready. With your toothbrush, dip in your toothbrush like so and brush your teeth with this remedy. It's going to whiten your teeth naturally and will get you an amazing result, my friends. By using that remedy 2 times a day, you will get rid of yellow teeth and you will get rid of dirty teeth and you will get white pearl teeth naturally. I hope that video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies, leave a nice comment and give that video big like, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys.